As seen in this presentation, John Dewey's theory of inquiry learning, LaBerge and Samuel's theory of automatic information processing, and Richard C. Anderson's schema theory show how students learn and how students learn to read. By understanding all of this, I will be a more effective teacher and more purposeful in how I deliver my instruction. I have learned literacy and learning strategies to teach diverse learners and can understand and diagnose when students are struggling with reading and writing. More importantly, I am aware that no one theory offers all the answers. Tracy and Moreau state that teachers need to be aware of the theories that they possess. They also state that teachers need to understand the value of having multiple lenses for reading. Having multiple lenses also puts a stress on how important research is to literacy. It's important that educators stay current and continuously are researching to find the best research-based practices to teach students to read and write.